Haka khandriu tarik nailar hajar arpaulai ki pajba ka shnong baikam hakaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam Eastern Hills District kilapan pawe ke jingthrang dik bandon bech Meghalaya. Haka ni ka singi ki officer na Assam bat Meghalaya kilalit jungo shaka ni ka shnong halor ka jingdawa baka ni ka shnong kan hap ha Meghalaya. Nakalyang kinong yalam ke HYC uba roaming lamare ringkat lang ka kong Rimon Suchang ka secretary ka shnong baikam kilapan pawe ke jing sngau scam baka shnong kan hap sa Meghalaya kumbalapan sngau ka sur ki pajba.
Warna piraki, yang om kini sen lewat I kuat ulai cha Meghalaya. Om nanti.
Loyak semen mau?
Ini bukan
Officer Magistrate Katigora Kachar. We are from Meghalaya. So only one thing we want to ask is, sir, like how do you feel or your opinion about this? Because according to the notice we got about the work. So we have seen today. So what's your opinion from your side, sir? Can you please tell us something?
Today I come here in this Baikam place based on the order given by Kachar DCC. So the main purpose of coming here is to come and verify your documents related to those schemes which is enjoyed by people of Baikam place from the Assam government. So that is the main purpose to come and see. And yeah, that's all.
Okay,
That is the main purpose.
Yeah, you came for that purpose.
Yes,
sir?
yes, for the purpose only.
Okay, one thing, sir. The one thing is that today we have seen that there are, like what we have known about the issue is, one from Meghalaya, they send about the notice or voice word, and one from Assam is for the document. So like we have seen today, the people are having some confusion. So is there anything clash or like misunderstanding between the Assam and government Meghalaya? Like the notice are different they got now. So I just
Yes,
want to know
yes. So
about
far
that.
to my knowledge is concerned, I don't think there is any clash of opinion because DC sir sent message to Trade DC sir, no, regarding this program only. So based on that, maybe Trade DC issued that order. So personally, like I don't have idea. Later on, only I get to know the
Yes,
message from Trade side only. So what I know is that I'm being instructed to come and conduct your documents verifications. That's all from my side, I can say.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Pak Saki.
Kami nagalang HYC Janjil District Unit. Mende ke pendap ini dari jing sukumen habang ilayo ban seki dalam jong kikmat ban ai muslim yakni ki produk persnam jungi di badon napo baikam. Apa deng ke jing kenduk lang jong ki Arli Regional Committee apa deng ke Assam ban Meghalaya. Dan nang ilawan hang ne ban ai muslim yakni produk persnam jungi ngi ba karisol kalong successful ngi ba rapu persen dan ekandai pu persen lagi nong syong di badon hangani kisnong ki kwa ban leis po Meghalaya. Tengi nagal yang keseng kum bangi laya ilantin do pasdang ngidon rangkat bat kan kisnong haduk kan klimat bat inang kerpat juru yau siam badon burom jungi tam yau video ba present mendagisngi wa nagal yang ke district administrative kalapha lembaga regional committee na Janjil district buun simkia buun perkat lem gini produk persnam jungi ban unpan urlong ya ke jingkwa ke jongki ban ngi nang yang jong HYC Janjil district unit ki kerpat ya UCM deputy CM dan burom jungi sngau baha dak burom pendrung gini produk persnam jungi sipo Meghalaya namar ba lagi phai security gustur kidai ki penar ki ba em kumni ki babam kumni ki rep kumni ki tin ki thlit kumni kumno ngila ban ino konsuet iki te kumtang kerpat jur yau Chief Minister badon burom jungi sngau baha sim khia ikene sim khia ban pendrung gini produk persnam jungi sipo Meghalaya tang ba kajing angno jungi kan seiso
Idong Shnong jong ka Baikam kumba na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya kumba larai ha ka jang meeting bakin wan kita ki na kalyang jong ka Assam bat na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya na kalyang jong Assam lawan da circle officer bat na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya lawan da video But kani kalong kajing sing kuman kabangan petip syaki babaro ni kum kidong syam shnong lakwa ban penyeso ya kani ka shnong jongi sya ka shnong Meghalaya but kum juru nakarpat ya ki badai ya ka komiti ya ka regional committee jang Meghalaya bahkan snobha ban shim yangi kum kajak benriu jong ki but kum juru banga karpat ya ka sarkar Assam ban kan pelaj yangi dah ka masuk bangin lek penyeso sya Meghalaya but hagani ka poru ngakwa ban tu bah hagani ka spot ka jongi te na kalyang jong kita ki badan ka to kan ningut ki bakwa ban lek sya Assam henre kimya dan rengkat bat ni hagani ka penpau hagani ka waiswut ka penpau bangilai yo lepa ya ka jingjok but hagani ka waiswut niyo iba kita ki badan ki bom snokwa ban rung sya Meghalaya ru kim dan rengkat hangne te de na kata kadau ngakarpat jur ya ka sarkar Meghalaya but bakin snobha ban penyeso ya kan ka shnong jengi but ban kuduk yani kum kajak benriu jongka sya Meghalaya but kum juru ya karpat ya ka sarkar Assam ya tam ban pelaj yangi da ka basuk tang kini kikintin ko blay shibon karena kalian jemaah kum ka sekretari shnong ngakan tempau ya gejenglan ka bakrau namar menta ka sni ngila kum balapha da ki disi kum balawan nang yang na ke kum balarai na ka join meeting bakin wan jino ini na kan yang jong ka state Meghalaya ban na kan yang jong ka state Assam menta ka sni lawan seki da video na kan yang jong ka Meghalaya ban da circle officer na kan yang jong ka Assam te menta ka sni ngila aya kata ka voice vote ka jongi but ha ka ni ka voice vote ka jongi ngila i bangila yo lapa ya kata ka jingjok te don hi ki ba kwa ban penyeso sya Meghalaya nre ya kita kim don hang ni haspot but ngange hiru kin ya manjur ya kani ka jingkwa ka jongi but hakajuk kapuar ngakarpat ya iso kongrak sangma kum chief minister ba in snobha ban shim khia ya kani ka shnong ga jongi but in snobha ru ba karpat juri ba in penyeso lani ban kuduk yangi kum kajak benriu khasi penar bangin don sya Meghalaya namar ni de hamni hashnong ni don takki khasi penar hakaram ga baik rukum ju hakabam ga di rukum ju hakanyam ga rukam rukum ju but hakatin ga thlik rukum ju namar shani shnong jungi dan kijingya bangim ya snow thu baktin ga thlik but kum ju ru ngim ya pei phang hakapule ka puthi ngim dan kata ga dagi dan kino kibang kikat kisla ki bangim pei ru lang ngim tip ki tho ayu ne ki ong ayu tade hakane ka nong rem ngakarpat jur ya nakalyang ga jongi kum kinong shnong jong ka baikam ngakarpat jur ya ka sarkar Meghalaya tiba kidai ban shim khia ya kani ka kam syapang kani ka shnong ga jongi bangin pen rong ya ka sya ka state Meghalaya boleh syukur